What's up, you guys? It's Pizza KV and welcome back to my channel. So you guys see I got my hair molded down, which means I'm doing a quick weave today. So it's going to be a side part, deep side part with leave out, natural leave out. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. All right, you guys, so there was a huge sale at the beauty supply store by my house. They're like restocking all this inventory, so they were giving away pack hair like crazy. So none of these brands are the same, but we know pack hair is usually the same. So I'm gonna quickly try to run through this tutorial. You guys kinda should know the rundown. I mean, let's just say you're brand new to quick weaves. I'm gonna try to keep it simple. So quick weaves are super easy. It's my tracks. I take my track, I start in the back, all the way in the back, and I measure, put my finger right here, snip it, I have my glue. This is Super Hair Bond Glue by Salon Pro. Make sure these are, oh yeah, that one's ready. Glue, glue, glue real quick. Don't put too much, please. It's best if the glue is like a little bit tacky before you place it down. So I kind of like fan mine a little bit. I don't have my blow dryer, but find that spot again that you just measured. You guys, I can't see, but let's say like right there. Honestly, I'm not too afraid about getting glue in my hair because I kind of been doing this for years. I just use olive oil sheen spray or like conditioner. You know, I'm not big on, like, the glue doesn't really damage my hair, so I don't mind. And then I'm just gonna do that time and time again, you guys. All right, now because I have 3 packs, I'm going to try to put the tracks like somewhat close, not too close, because you don't want to run out of hair. I've been there so many times and it really is annoying. So maybe like ½ an inch in between every track. Now if I'm using 2 packs, I put the tracks like 1 inch apart just to be on the safer side. And then if you have extra hair, you could just go back in and add the hair. So I just finished the first pack, the 16-inch. And this hair is so silky and soft. Let me see, let me do it from the back. It's a better measure. Yeah, that's where the 16-inch is. I love it. Oh my God. I wish it was longer, but that's okay. We don't need all that hair. All right, so now I'm doing my number 4, and I'm gonna mix it with my 30 just to give it like some dimension. So you guys are gonna see me do 1 track 4, 1 track 30, 1 track 4, 1 track 30. So let's get into that. What I do in the front, let me see, y'all. So when I get to the front on my edges, I curve. Well, this one just happened to stop right there, but the one below it, I curved upwards. So instead of going straight, I tilt it up like that. So then when my hair brushes back, you don't see what's underneath it. So yeah, I'm gonna tilt it. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then just do my tracks as normal. But I make sure when I get on my edge, like even over here, I don't go straight across. I tilt it and then I curve it.
Ryan Little.
Yoga.
Now this is where I'm gonna switch it up. I want a bang And I want my bang to be heavy. So I'm gonna start dropping it in the front. You guys see, this is where my leave out line is. So, and I'm not gonna do it straight in the front, I'm gonna curve it. So it should be like a U-ish shape. And then I'm gonna wrap it all the way around, so.
Ryan Little.
All right, you guys, I'm gonna stop right here because my camera is dying. I'm gonna go sit under my hooded dryer. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you could just blow dry your hair on warm just to make sure the tracks are all glued as tightly as they can, and then just do a cool setting at the end. So it's looking good. All right, you guys, so all I did was cut the cap and I blew out my leave out. And before I cut the cap, you guys could see that there was still a space in between my hair and the weave. Now I'm gonna show y'all a trick that I used to do back in the day when I used to run out of hair because I put too much hair in the back and I ran out of hair in the front. I would pull a track. I would find a track that wouldn't be noticeable, which maybe, let me see, maybe this one. I just pull it out. Ooh, and look, it wasn't even all the way tacked down. I will pull it out. Now this is a track that you cannot notice. Somewhere where you probably put the tracks too close, and you could pull this one out without any problem. All right, cool. I didn't pull my hair or nothing. That one was just kind of already hanging off back there. So because you guys see, this is a 4, but my hair is like, I don't know, my hair is probably like a 2. And it's just a big gap. And then the Milkyway 4 is darker than the Premium Now 4. And then I also want to close in that gap. When you see it, it really doesn't look that noticeable, but to me, I just like to make sure that my Quickweaves are like extra secure. I don't want you to be able to see any gaps in my hair. So I'm gonna pull all this back. And I'm not gonna touch this bang part. I like it how it is. I'm not gonna do nothing to that. Just right around here, I'm gonna put one more track so that it just is more seamless to me. But this one you want to make sure it's super tacky because you don't want glue spreading all in your hair or on your scalp. So I'm gonna just put it where there's a space. and just line it up right next to my hair. Oh, look, it ends. Wait, does it end? No, it's a little bit too long. Do I cut a little bit? Right there. Right on the edge. You guys see how it's just darker now, and I like that. And it fills in any spaces. Now you see it's right up against my hairline. And let's go ahead and fix my part back. All right, you guys, so I just finished flat ironing my hair. I just feel like that top brown just darkened everything, and I just feel better about that. I'm not gonna put too much. Let me show you what I meant by when I curl the tracks. Y'all see, I ain't really do nothing to my edges down here, but when I curve the tracks, I only put out the tiniest amount of leave out. All the tracks flip back. You can't see anything. It's just seamless. And this is like a good way to get a ponytail. I put this track out a little bit too far. I cut that part. But yeah, it's flat. Super duper flat to my head. If I would have left out more leave out, then it would have just blended in. But and then same on this side. Well, I guess I could just show you with my edges. Seamless flat, you guys. You see? Super duper flat. So yes, this is how you do a quick weave in 2020, you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm going to be posting more often, different looks, different type of content as well, not just hair content. So you guys stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys. Bye.